Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Stab Media, the home of AI training opportunities and other remote online hustles. If you are new here, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Those simple actions help this channel grow and help more people discover genuine online earning opportunities. Today, I want to talk about one of the most interesting AI training platforms currently accepting new workers worldwide, and that platform is OneForma. The good news is that OneForma is actively recruiting people from many countries around the world, and there is a very good chance that you qualify for some of their projects. One of the most talked about projects on the platform is the LightSpeed program, which offers competitive pay rates and consistent opportunities for qualified contributors. One of the reasons I like this platform is that you do not need an advanced degree or years of professional experience to get started. You do not need to be a software engineer, data scientist, or AI expert. What you need is the right information, patience, attention to detail, and a willingness to learn. If you have those qualities, then this video could open a door to a completely new income stream for you. So stay with me until the end because I am going to walk you through the registration process, profile setup, verification requirements, qualification tests, payment methods, and the common mistakes that prevent many people from earning on OneForma. Let's get started. The first step is creating your account. When you click the registration link attached to this video, you will be taken directly to the OneForma registration page. Once you arrive there, you will need to provide your basic information. This includes your first name, last name, email address, country of residence, and other information requested during registration. One thing I want to emphasize here is honesty. Use your real information. Do not use fake names, fake addresses, or incorrect personal details. Many people think they can bypass verification requirements by using inaccurate information, but this usually creates problems later when identity verification is required. Your account could be flagged, restricted, or even permanently disabled if the information does not match your identification documents. Once you complete the registration form, submit it and check your email inbox. OneForma will send you an email verification link. Open the email and verify your account immediately. This step may sound simple, but many people skip it and then wonder why they cannot access projects or receive important notifications. Email verification is essential, so do not overlook it. After verifying your email, you will gain access to your OneForma dashboard. Now this is where many new users make their first major mistake. They register, log in, look around for a few minutes, and then immediately start searching for jobs. That is the wrong approach. Before applying for any project, you need to complete your profile. Think of your profile as your online resume. The platform uses the information in your profile to determine which projects you qualify for. Take your time and fill out every section you can. Add your language skills. Add your educational background. Add your professional experience. Add any technical skills you may have. Complete demographic information where required. The more complete your profile is, the better your chances of being matched with suitable projects. Many contributors report that additional opportunities became available only after completing their profiles properly. A complete profile helps the platform understand your qualifications and increases your visibility to project managers. Another extremely important step is securing your account. OneForma takes account security seriously. Because contributors handle valuable AI training data and project information, suspicious account activity can trigger security warnings. To avoid unnecessary issues, enable two-factor authentication as soon as possible. One of the easiest ways to do this is by using Google Authenticator on your mobile phone. This adds an extra layer of security to your account and helps reduce the risk of receiving suspicious activity warnings that could temporarily block access to the platform. Now let's talk about identity verification. Before you can qualify for many projects, especially some of the higher-paying opportunities, you will need to verify your identity using OneForma's persona verification system. This process typically involves submitting identification documents and confirming your identity through the platform. Some people become nervous when they see identity verification requirements, but this is very common in the AI training industry. Companies need to verify that contributors are real individuals and that project data is being handled responsibly. Without completing identity verification, you may find yourself unable to apply for many available jobs. Now let's discuss what OneForma actually does. OneForma is a platform operated by Centific, a company that specializes in AI data services and technology solutions. The platform connects contributors around the world with AI training and data annotation projects. In simple terms, your work helps improve artificial intelligence systems. You may find yourself evaluating search results, collecting data, recording audio samples, transcribing speech, translating content, reviewing AI-generated responses, testing applications, annotating images, or participating in language-related projects. As AI technology continues to grow globally, the demand for human contributors continues to increase as well. That is why platforms like OneForma have become attractive opportunities for people seeking remote work. One of the most impressive aspects of OneForma is the variety of languages they support. There are opportunities for speakers of Swahili, Hindi, Somali, Yoruba, Igbo, Bengali, Vietnamese, Thai, Indonesian, and many other languages. Many people assume online opportunities are only available to English speakers, but OneForma regularly launches projects targeting local languages and regional markets. This means your native language can become a valuable asset. Now let's talk about earnings. The exact amount you earn depends on several factors, including your location, project availability, skill level, and project requirements. Many contributors report hourly rates ranging from approximately $10 to $25 per hour on various projects. Certain specialized projects can pay even more. Of course, project availability changes over time, and not every contributor will immediately gain access to high-paying opportunities. However, compared to many online earning platforms, OneForma has developed a reputation for offering competitive compensation for qualified workers. Now here comes one of the biggest reasons people fail on this platform. They wait. They register. They complete their profile. Then they sit back and wait for opportunities to magically appear. That strategy rarely works. If you want to succeed on OneForma, you need to be proactive. After completing your profile, visit the jobs section regularly. Look for projects that match your skills and qualifications. Review the requirements carefully. Submit applications where appropriate. Most importantly, complete qualification tests whenever possible. These tests are often referred to as certification tests. Many newcomers become intimidated when they hear the word test. But the reality is that most certification tests are designed to ensure you understand project guidelines and can follow instructions accurately. For contributors outside the United States, Canada, Europe, and Australia, gaining access to premium opportunities such as LightSpeed projects may require completing several certifications first. These certification exams often consist of approximately 10 to 20 questions and can usually be completed within 30 minutes. The difficulty level varies, but many are based on reading guidelines carefully and applying common sense. Additionally, make sure you complete all available surveys and profile questionnaires. These surveys help project managers identify qualified contributors and can significantly increase your chances of receiving invitations to future projects. Preparation is extremely important. Do not rush into certification tests without reviewing the instructions. Spend time studying the guidelines. Read project documentation carefully. Understand the examples provided. A single hour of preparation can dramatically improve your chances of passing. For example, I recently reviewed an English to Spanish translation certification. Many of the questions focused on grammar, vocabulary, sentence structure, and language accuracy. These were not impossible questions. Most were designed to test fundamental language skills and attention to detail. You can also pursue certifications in local languages such as Swahili, Yoruba, Igbo, Hindi, Bengali, Somali, and many others. At the same time, international languages such as English, French, German, Portuguese, and Spanish can open additional opportunities. The more certifications you obtain, the larger your pool of available projects becomes. Now let's discuss payments. OneForma offers multiple payment methods, which makes it accessible to contributors worldwide. One of the most common payment systems is Tipalti. Tipalti supports transfers to local bank accounts in many countries. The platform may also support options such as Payoneer, Wise, and PayPal depending on your location and project requirements. Before beginning work, make sure your payment information is configured correctly. There is nothing more frustrating than completing a project successfully and then discovering your payment details are incomplete. Take a few minutes to verify everything before starting. Finally, I want to discuss account access and VPN usage. Based on contributor experiences, OneForma's security systems can be very sensitive to unusual login behavior. Using proxies or constantly changing IP addresses may trigger suspicious activity warnings. If you are accessing an account associated with another country, security verification may become even more complicated. Many contributors report that remote access solutions such as AnyDesk, UltraViewer, dedicated VPS environments, or remote desktop systems provide more stable access than traditional proxy services. However, always ensure that you comply with the platform's policies and requirements. Violating platform rules can result in restrictions or account termination. The safest approach is always to use accurate information, maintain a secure account, complete required verifications, and follow all project guidelines carefully. To summarize, your success on OneForma comes down to a few simple principles. Register using real information. Verify your email. Complete your profile fully. Enable two-factor authentication. Finish persona identity verification. Apply for projects actively. Complete certification tests. Study before taking exams. Configure your payment methods correctly. And remain patient while building your qualifications. Most people fail because they stop halfway through the process. The people who earn consistently are usually the people who complete every step and keep improving their qualifications over time. On this Spanish certification exam, I got 82 and the pass mark is 90, so I will redo since I have 3 attempts. In the next video, I will handle an assessment from LightSpeed project using my U.S account to show you what to expect. OneForma can become a valuable source of remote income and provide access to exciting AI training opportunities from anywhere in the world. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this guide helpful, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to Daily Stab Media, and leave a comment below sharing your experience with OneForma or any questions you may have.
must be some